In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a contract in HoneyBook, step by step 2026. First, open your browser and head to honeybook.com. This is the official site, so it's a good idea to bookmark it if you use it often. When you're there, log into your HoneyBook account. If you're prompted for additional security, like a verification code, go ahead and complete that to keep your account protected. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base where you can see an overview of your activity. Look to the left-hand side of the screen. That vertical bar is your main navigation, and it's where you'll move between different areas of HoneyBook. From there, click on Files. This will open the space where all of your documents live, including proposals, invoices, and contracts. Inside the Files area, switch to Contracts. This narrows your view so you're only looking at your agreements. If you don't have a contract created yet, you have two easy options. You can start a new one from scratch by selecting New Contract, which is great if you need something highly customized. Or, you can choose one from templates to save time. Templates are especially helpful because they're designed to be reused and can include your standard clauses and placeholders that you can fill in for each client. If you already have a contract ready, find it in your list and open it. Take a moment to review the content carefully. Make sure the client is assigned correctly, the project details are clear, and any dates, deliverables, or rates are accurate. If your contract uses smart fields or placeholders, confirm they're all filled in so nothing is left blank. Accuracy here prevents confusion later. When everything looks good, click Share at the top right. In the sharing panel, you can turn on client verification if you want an extra layer of security. This will require your client to enter a verification code when they sign or make a payment, which is a helpful safeguard. Next, enter the client's email in the Email To field. You can personalize the message that accompanies the contract so your client knows exactly what they're receiving and what to do next. Keep it clear and professional. Finally, review your settings one more time and click Send. HoneyBook will deliver the contract to your client for e-signature, and you'll be notified as soon as they view or sign it. That's it. Your contract is officially on its way.